Hello, this is Joy, and I'm standing in the foyer of one of my new listings at 1101 Monterey Lane. Actually, this is a Monterey model, and I'm going to start to pan around in a moment to show you some of the features. But I want you to know we have 3 open houses this weekend for this property. It just came on the market an hour ago. We have an open house Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 11 until 2 p.m. So stop by and see us if you can. This property shows very well. It does have a private pool, separate lanai, separate seating area, exterior seating area, and it's got a lot of extras in it, a lot of upgrades and things like that. It's really nice. It's priced at $479. It is a 1,600 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. But again, let's walk through because it does have an awful lot to offer. So I'm going to switch over now. Pan this. This is when I need an 8-year-old. Okay, see here. So this is the front entry right here, and I'm just going to pan around very quickly here so that we see we've just entered the front foyer, and we're walking into the living room area. Again, spacious, very nicely done. This property is not furnished, but it's got a lot of nice room to put your own furniture in. Let's just pan around very quickly here before we go to the pool. Spacious separate dining area, that's always nice when you're entertaining friends, and adds another dimension to the size of the property. I just want to walk over here very quickly because the guest quarters are actually in this area here. That's the main bath, and then if we pan around we have a little bedroom back here. That's the guest bedroom. But what is nice about this is that we're currently standing in a little hallway, and I can close this off. So if I have friends or guests staying here, you can close this off and it becomes a very private area. Well, that's huge for a lot of people. They like their friends to be on the other side of the house. Anyway, let's walk through here again, very pretty. Let's touch on the kitchen as we're walking through. Now, this kitchen was upgraded. It has marble counters, a double sink, lots of generous storage space in here. And it's really a very sweet spot. The little breakfast nook over here, plus the additional workspace, again, marble counters, and it's sort of overlooking that very, very nice patio out there. Now that's what I call the perfect conversation spot with a glass of champagne, but again, that's me. But it's just very cozy and it's open, and a lot of people like that. As we're panning around now, I'm going to walk from the kitchen and I'm going to go into the lanai. Now this is a good size lanai. You've got space here definitely to entertain or to do whatever you want to do. And this, of course, in turn, walks out to the pool. Good seating areas out here. Good space to sunbathe, swim. Nice conversation area at the end. Very, very private. And off to my right, we go back into that sweet little fire pit conversation area, which is so adorable. I'm panning around slowly. Now this video is not going to replace the professional video that was done on the property, but because we are having open houses, I just wanted to sort of take you through very quickly on this and invite you to come and see this house. I'm now stepping up to the master bedroom. The bedroom has access on the right to the pool area, and of course we're stepping through the lanai door. Nice bedroom, large, good space, 2 walk-in closets, huge. Let's have a look here. 2 walk-in closets, one for him, one for her, and then we have the bathroom, double vanities, etc. So here we go. So come and see us tomorrow. We'd love to see you and show you this nice home. Call me with any questions. This is Joy with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Realty. Always such a mouthful. And my number is 760-702-4657. We'd love to see you here. Thank you so much for watching this little video. Bye-bye.